What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. My name's Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And when you are in the mountains of Utah, one of the best things you can do in the summer is go for a hike. We love hiking. We've spent time hiking all over the country, and here is no different. We've got beautiful views of Mount Timpanogos, and so we've done some hikes around there to take in the fresh mountain air and really enjoy where we are.
Also build up a nice appetite.
That's right. Yes, we always come back hungry from a good long hike. So today I'm whipping up something quick and tasty. I'm doing Mongolian beef on the griddle.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
The first thing I need to do is get our sauce going. So I've got our pan heating up on the griddle, and now it's time to add our ingredients. Before I get too far down the road with the sauce, I gotta mince some garlic. Which is always a good stress reliever. In this pan that I have heating up on the griddle, I'm going to put a little bit of water, a good amount of soy sauce, some brown sugar, a little bit of minced ginger, and last but certainly not least, our minced garlic. We give that a good stir and let it come to a boil. Alright, our sauce is pretty much to a boil right now, so I'm going to let it go for a few more minutes. Now that our sauce is done, I'm going to set it to the side and let it cool and thicken up a little bit. And now it's time to get our beef on the griddle. I've got about a pound and a half of thinly sliced sirloin that we're gonna use. I tossed it in some cornstarch just to tenderize it a little bit. And I've got the griddle set to super hot right now. Since our beef is sliced so thin and the griddle is blazing hot, it's not gonna take that long to cook. So I'm gonna keep it moving so that it cooks through evenly. And now that it's almost done cooking, it's time to add our sauce. And then I'm gonna keep it moving for another minute or so to get that sauce distributed and finish it off. All right, now that our beef is done, I'm gonna put it in a bowl, cool for a bit, while I get our rice on the griddle. Now that our beef is ready and the griddle's all cleaned off, it's time to get our rice down. And this is not going to take long at all. The rice is done. I'm going to get it onto our plate here. Make a nice bed for our beef. For a bit of garnish, a few sesame seeds and a little bit of green onion. I feel like I should have brought some chopsticks.
I know.
Oh, it smells super good.
It smells delicious. Yeah. That's so good.
That is so good. The beef is nice and tender.
Oh my gosh. Flavor is nice and rich.
Yeah, you get that salty sweet from the soy and the brown sugar.
Delicious.
Mongolian beef. Who needs takeout when you can make it on your own griddle?
Thank you all for watching. We always appreciate you tuning in.
Head on over and visit Blackstone Products for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and make sure you ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Brute, Matt.
Brute? I mean, Bruce looks like a pretty tough guy, but I wouldn't call him a brute.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.